You can start.
Okay,
Should I go to the
great.
next slide?
Oh, please, that'd be great.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, this is the word geyser. And
Can I read?
um, is it okay with you, Sartak, if Manav reads this one? Would that be okay? Manav, you volunteered, go ahead. Say geyser.
Geyser.
Thank you.
The word originates geysers. The great geysers is the shore of the English word after which all other geysers are named geyser. Literary meaning geyser is Iceland, and this nature geyser has been active for more than 10,000 years. Records of hot spring active in the regions data back to 1294.
Oh, 94. Geysers, the world's original geyser, the Great Geyser, is the source of the English word after which all other geysers are named. Geyser literally means gusher in Icelandic, and this natural geyser has been active for more than 10,000 years. Records of hot springs activity in the region date back to 1294. And remember, you could be looking at this and no water would be coming out, and then suddenly the water gushes up very high and splashes all over and then goes back into the ground. So it builds up pressure, boom, it gushes. Next slide, please. Let's see, Sartak, would you like to read that?
Can I?
It's Sartak's turn.
The Blue Lagoon is a popular geothermal SPA in southwestern Iceland. The SPA is located in a lava field near the national airport on the Reykjanes Peninsula, in a location favorable of geothermal power, and is supplied by salt water used in the nearby Svartsengi geothermal power station.
Yes, so there you go. The blue, and your pronunciation of the Icelandic words are just the same as mine. It's a different language and it's a little bit hard to say some of those names. The Blue Lagoon is a popular geothermal spa, a place people go to feel well in southwestern Iceland. The spa is located in a lava field near the national airport on the Reykjanes Peninsula, in a location favorable for geothermal power, and is supplied by the salt water used in the nearby Svartsengi geothermal power station. Let's go to the next slide. And there I am with my husband. This is Shivansh's turn. Shivansh?
Ma'am, should I read?
Shivansh's turn.
My husband and I traveled to Iceland in May 2023. It was a fairly short 7 years flight from shelter to Iceland. We flew through the night, so we were pleasantly refreshed first thing in the morning by the blue lagoon.
So the water really is that pretty light blue color. And I'll read it. And then, sir, maybe you can just show the video of the Blue Lagoon, but not the video of the natural hot spring. We might come back to that if we have time. My husband and I traveled to Iceland in May 2023. And here's the video of the Blue Lagoon. Notice the volcanic rocks all
Iceland,
around.
are we? Well, you clicked the right video because the Blue Lagoon is an absolute must-see when visiting Iceland. In a jet black lava field on Reykjanes Peninsula lies the Blue Lagoon, one of the most popular visitor attractions in Iceland. This geothermal spa is located midway between Keflavik International Airport and Reykjavik City. making it a perfect first stop if you just arrived in Iceland, or a great last stop on your way back home. The Blue Lagoon is the perfect place to relax and unwind, and people come from all over the world to soak in the warm, opaque waters, which are rich in both silica and sulfur. These minerals are said to do wonders for your skin, and the Blue Lagoon even operates a research and development facility dedicated to finding cures and remedies for skin ailments using this mineral-rich water. The temperature in the Blue Lagoon is at a very comfortable 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, and visitors can find a number of spa amenities available to them, such as silica mat masks, a sauna, and a steam room. Guests can also purchase drinks at the outdoor bar, book an in-water massage, or have lunch or dinner at the on-site restaurant, which is built into a lava cliff. It is not just the excellent amenities and healing water that attracts visitors to the Blue Lagoon, but the spa's beautiful setting. The water itself is a stunning aquamarine color, and surrounding the lagoon are fantastic volcanic landscapes, complemented by clouds of rising steam, which bestow an otherworldly appearance upon the whole area. Remember that this is a very popular attraction, so if you're planning to visit the Blue Lagoon, make sure you book tickets online well in advance. How amazing is this place, right? Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring Iceland with us. For more information and videos, please subscribe to our channel or check out our website.
Right, thank you. And we'll go to the next slide, please. And there we are.
Ma'am, should I read?
Manaf, you can read that one. It's called Spa, the spa.
Yes, ma'am. The spa at the Blue Lagoon is known for its recoverable skin
Treatments.
treatments. Perhaps we felt a little younger after trying on the vapor marks with our good friends and travel companions. Will at least we got a few good laughs and Gyrothermic experience are a way of life is Iceland during the long arctic winter when it is dark. Most of the complaint pools offer relations and companionship.
Yeah, if you can imagine, most of the days in the winter, in the deep winter, it doesn't get light for maybe more than an hour. So people like to go to these big places and hang out in the water and have visits with their friends. So the spa at the Blue Lagoon is known for its incredible skin treatments. Perhaps we felt a little younger after trying on the various masks with our good friends and travel companions. Well, at least we got a few good laughs. Geothermal hot springs are a way of life in Iceland. During the long Arctic winters, when it's dark most of the day, community pools offer relaxation and companionship. Next slide, please.
Ma'am, should I read?
I think, wow, I don't remember who's next. If you off, who would like to read next?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
should I read?
I think it's Shivansh's turn.
Yeah, Shivan's turn, ma'am.
Shivansh.
Volcanoes. As a result of being in a uncurious,
That word is unique.
yes, ma'am. Being in a unique sitting where
That's right.
where a continental right drift and a magma pump joins force. Iceland is on the Earth's most volcanic activities area. On average, Iceland experience a volcanic event every 4 years. Since the end of the last ice age, about 10.000 years ago, a third of the lava, a third of all lava that volcanoes have produced on the Earth's surface has eri- erupted in Iceland.
That should be 10,000 years ago. Sorry about the period that's there. Volcanoes, as a result of being in a unique setting where a continental rift and a magma plume join forces, Iceland is one of the Earth's most volcanically active areas. On average, Iceland experiences a volcanic event every 4 years. Since the end of the last ice age, about 10,000 years ago, a third of all lava that volcanoes have produced on the Earth's surface has erupted in Iceland. And here you can see the lava fields. Okay, let's go to the next slide.
Ma'am, should I read?
I think it's Sartak's turn. These are called glaciers, and it's like a river of ice. Go ahead, Sartak.
Yes, ma'am. Glaciers. Most of the world's glaciers are found in the Arctic regions and were formed in the last ice age. Iceland's volcanic landscape is plugged with these glaciers and ice caps, which you can easily explore in person. How many glaciers are in Iceland? There are preciously 269 named glaciers in Iceland, which is a hot for such a small landmass. Altogether, Iceland's glaciers make about 11% of the entire country. Vintage Okulu.
Don't worry. Go ahead.
Is an capped atop a volcano and is the largest glacial area in Iceland. It was awarded National Park status 2008 and covers a whopping 4,141 square kilometers, about 14% of Iceland.
Yeah. I'll read it. Most of the world's glaciers are found in the Arctic regions and were formed in the last ice age. Iceland's volcanic landscape is plugged with these glaciers and ice caps, which you can easily explore in person. How many glaciers are in Iceland? There are precisely 269 named glaciers in Iceland, which is a lot for such a small landmass. Altogether, Iceland's glaciers make up about 11% of the entire country. This is so hard. Vatnajökull is the ice cap atop a volcano and is the largest glacial area in Iceland. It was awarded national park status in 2008 and covers a whopping 4,141 square kilometers, about 14% of Iceland. Next slide, please.
Ma'am, should I read?
I'm going to, because we're kind of running out of time, let's go ahead and skip this one.
Ma'am, should I read?
I think we're going to skip these and we could maybe do it another time, but let's get on to some of the better pictures I have. Go ahead and skip this one. Yeah. Northern Lights is a really important thing to know about. So Shivansh, it's your turn. Yeah, Shivansh's turn.
Northern Lights. Iceland is the one of the best places of Earth to support the elusive aurora borealis and the aurora activities. Many places only a short drive always for Reykjavik offer great opportunities to support the splendid and majestic natural phenomenon.
Good.
Have you ever seen the Eros dance across the darkened night sky and vivid color. It's beautiful. Auroras are a natural phe- pheno- phenomenon. So
Good.
there is never a gratitude that they will appear when you visit this country. Whether there is a huge factory and through there are often clever night skills in Iceland, especially when it's cold, the excessive light can appear.
Well, it's 8:30 and I think I'll read this last one and then we can go. Thank you all for coming and sharing with my travels. It was really fun. Northern Lights. Iceland is one of the best places on Earth to spot the elusive aurora borealis and the auroral activity. Many places only a short drive away from Reykjavik offer great opportunities to spot this splendid and majestic natural phenomenon. Have you ever seen the auroras dance across the darkened night sky in vivid colors? It's beautiful. Auroras are a natural phenomenon, so there's never any guarantee that they will appear when you visit the country. Weather is a huge factor, though there are often clear night skies in Iceland, especially when it's cold. The elusive nights can appear. Well, I think that's it for today or this evening.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for such
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
such an
Thank
informative
you.
session. And we learned so many new things today. So many new things.
Yeah,
We didn't
it's a
know all
beautiful
this about
country.
it. Yes, and so
Yeah.
beautiful and so informative session was.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Erin. I'm going to be
you.
on my trip for the next month, so I'll see you sometime later on in November.
Well, safe journeys, ma'am Lisa. We're expecting to hear from you when you get back about your exciting travels.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
See you in a
You can also collect this information. Like this, we can have a session on that.
Okay. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye
Bye-bye,
bye.
Bye,
everybody.
ma'am.
Have a
Thank you,
great
ma'am.
day. Have a great day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Bye.